Okay. This is a tough one for you. Door or Dhanak? Why?
Yeah, very tough. You can't ask to choose children like that. Door.
Okay. Door. Why?
I think it was a perfect film. It was a perfect film. There are times when I used to peep into the monitor and I would just say whether this movie does well or not, it doesn't matter. I need no validation for this film. Every person who was heading a department was at the top of the game. आप उसकी म्यूजिक देखो, cinematography देखो, editing देखो, direction देखो, acting देखो. Each one was playing at that level. There was, I didn't care whether the movie did well or not. It was just a masterpiece. I don't think I can ever make another perfect film like that.
All right. A personal question. Best film. Hindi, regional, English, jo bhi ho.
Mughal-e-Azam. Love. I watched Mughal-e-Azam when I was, I think, it came in the theatres when I was about 11 or something, 11 or 12.
Yeah.
And I remember that word to word from that one screening.
एक dialogue बोलो.
मैं हिंदुस्तान हूँ, हिमालय मेरी सरहदों का निगहबान और गंगा मेरी पवित्रता की सौगंध.
Well done.
दूसरा dialogue when after the Qawwali, when Dilip Kumar or Salim says के बहार तुम्हारे नसीब में ये फूल और अनारकली तुम्हारे लिए काटे, and she says सह नसीब कांटों को मुरझाने का खौफ नहीं होता. वाह 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 वाह.
आदाब.
आधा वर्ष.
All right. Now this one, it's a sad question, but I find it funny when I ask you. The film you actually cried so much that even second handkerchief was not enough.
The Champ. एक बॉक्सिंग की फिल्म थी, आपको याद है? Faye Dunaway was the mother, the woman, and I can't remember the guy's name. It was a father and son story about when a boxing thing. और वो छोटा बेटा रहता है and he takes the son. It's his son and he lives with the father. They are divorced. And in the boxing match, he dies at the end, the father. मैं खड़े रह के रोई. मतलब after the movie was over and I was a child, I must be again 7 or 8. I was just weeping buckets. The Champ had just killed me.
Ella, you're a very honest person. Pay parity is a disaster worldwide. Like a light boy, makeup man, junior artist, they get peanuts, whereas the superstars get everything. I mean, क्या कर सकते हैं to bridge this?
It has to be individual. See, the thing is, now the unions are formed, they get according to that, but it's still not enough. What, especially in India, especially in Bombay, the conditions that these people work. So, for example, मैं बोलती हूँ हम लोग क्या करते हैं? We have shift timings, right? So we have a 9 o'clock shift or we have a 7 o'clock shift. तो 9 o'clock shift में breakfast नहीं देते. You have to give lunch and tea. Breakfast is not mandatory. But in Bombay, for a person to reach set at 9 o'clock, he has to leave from Bhayandar or Vashi or wherever at somewhere like 6 in the morning or something. So how can he how can he come and then get the first meal only at 12 o'clock? So I have made a rule, Nagesh and I have decided that on our set, 7 o'clock shift or 9 o'clock shift, breakfast will be served. It will cost us a little extra money, that is fine. So these are the kind of things we can do, but otherwise it's a long way.
No?
Oh, yeah, I wish I could do something to make it faster and better and more equal, but India is too divided. I mean, it's too many hierarchies here. Too many hierarchies.
It's very sad. Heroine बनने आते, but they end up with.
How? But that is the film industry, Malu. And that's worldwide. This luster for क्या कहना चाहिए, fame or glory or in front of the camera is so few. So when people say, do you have any advice to give? I'm like, get a second career option in mind. Because it's बहुत मेहनत है. And this is the only field I think where luck plays a chance. Whereby it can make or break you. Luck plays a chance everywhere. To be at the right place at the right time. कि आप इस आदमी से वहाँ मिल लिए, ये करो, ये होते होते कुछ हो गया. But it's not make or break. अगर मैं आपसे आज बात करके एक ऐप के बारे में सीख ली, अगर मैं आपसे नहीं मिलती थी और वो नहीं सीखती थी, it won't leave me on the road.
Yes.
In this profession, luck plays such a huge part that it's unfair that लोग जिंदगियां गवा देते in trying to make it in front of the camera. So I keep thinking, भाई आप अच्छे खानदान से आए, आप कुछ करना चाह रहे हैं, keep a career option. Like Nagesh engineer है, मैं lawyer हूँ. आप खुदा ना खासा, if you have to go back to it, we'll be out of fish out of water. I'm sure I won't get a job as a lawyer anymore. मगर at least दिल में बोलने को है कि भाई law की डिग्री है, हम we can go back to our.
अच्छा, I'm going to ask you to मारो one more dialogue because आप जो मुगल आजम का मारे जबरदस्त था, तो मैं और एक सुनना चाह रहा हूँ. Your best ever dialogue you've heard in any form of मतलब हिंदी, English, whatever.
There was this lovely dialogue in this क्या था वो Stars of Our Sky. वो देखे थे film? I think it was Stars of Our Sky. In that she says that I fell in love like how we fall asleep, slowly and then all at once.
Wow.
It was so beautiful. I fell in love like how we fall asleep, slowly at first and then all at once.
Which movie was this?
The Fault in Our Stars.
Fault in Our Stars. You like traveling? Any
Love traveling.
Crazy incident?
Several. Like I went off to, we were taking a trip, me and my best friend Varsha, to Sri Lanka, and we were going to go from Madras because that's where the tickets were the cheapest from. And she lives in Bangalore, so I took a train to Bangalore so that we could start a holiday together. Then took a train to Madras. Khair wo pura kar ke, when we went in to go through immigration, Varsha walked through. That guy took my ticket and he said, "Oh, you don't have ECNR." I said, "Oh, okay." So he said, "Where do you get it from?" He said, "From Ashoka Pillar." I said, "Okay. How long will it take?" He said, 2 days. 2 days? My flight is going now. So Varsha and I wept. We sat there and cried. I just cried and I cried and I cried. And the idiot is telling them she just got divorced. She's going to see somebody in Sri Lanka. I'm like, why should the entire Madras customs know that I've gotten divorced, idiot? But they let us go, He finally, that officer was so fed up, he looked at his senior and said, "What do you want me to do?" He said, "Let them go, sir." So without an ECNR, I traveled to Sri Lanka.
Okay. Now this is a very Hyderabadi question. Biryani, khichdi, pulao, fried rice.
Exactly.
ये चारों अलग अलग है.
बहुत.
अब आपकी लाइफ में आप मुझे ये मत बोलो कि पकाते वक्त कैसे अलग हैं. आप 4 characters who you have met in your life, try to equate them with biryani, pulao, fried rice and khichdi. Crazy question.
Crazy question.
Take your time.
Arey,
let's see your creativity.
biryani would be my mother, chalo.
Okay.
My mother, no, my brother. Biryani is my...
You have to tell us why also. You finish.
Achha, biryani is Meherdil, my brother, because I think he's like whom I can have every day. तो मैं रोज उसके साथ बात कर सकती हूँ, मिल सकती हूँ, दोस्ती. तो biryani is Babu.
Okay.
Pulao would be Nagesh because he's lighter and you can, be with him and you can create more out of that dish. Would be Nagesh. Khichdi would be Varsha because she's really soothing for my soul, and whenever I'm down or out, I think I would, though she would hate it because she's completely non-vegetarian, but Varsha would be khichdi. Fried rice. मैं फिर उसकी मैं और एक चीज सुनाती हूँ. फ्राइड राइस वुड बी कौन है कि भैया क्या बोलूं. फ्राइड राइस
इज तला हुआ. फ्राइड
नहीं, फ्राइड राइस इज, आई एम थिंकिंग ऑफ फ्राइड राइस इन माई हेड, लाइक व्हाई आई एम कैटेगराइजिंग इट. वो मैं बाद में बोलती हूँ. फ्राइड राइस वुड बी जूही चावला बिकॉज शी इज मजे का. No, and she's my good friend and I like Juhi. Okay. And I can, be तड़के वाली है उन्हें जरा.
तड़के वाली है, exactly.
हाँ.